mystic nightfall, hum softly in sexy quietly. Ibusuku elimfihlakalo liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zikhula ngokuthule. Kalimba sparkles over gentle lofi crackle. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Djembe ishaya kancane, shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Shakers ihamba kancane, sippers deep, past cradle and night. I walk through mystic nightfall, guided by starlight. Ihamba phakathi kobusuku obuyimfihlakalo, ngihola ukukhanya kwezinyeni. Ubusuku eliyimfihlakalo njalo lisesikhala.
Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind.
Ebusweni bomkhulu ngaphakathi komoya ophuphuma.
We find calm, we find wonder.
Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga.
Mystic nightfall, carrying dreams through time.
Ubusuku eliyimfihlakalo lithwala amaphupho phakathi kwesikhathi. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams. Ibusuku liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphuphethu.
Answer the night like our spirits intertwine.
Fendule busuku, imimoya yethu ithubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi ziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Mystic nightfall, embracing peace and warmth.
Ebusuku eliyimfihlakalo lithwala ukuthula nokukhudumala.
Walk together through life's soft rhythm.
Sihamba ndawonye phakathi komkhulu ophuphuma wokuphila.
The world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Soft night moves, insects whisper gently. Ibusuku liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zikhula ngokuthule. Kalimba ikhanya phezu komtulo ophuphuma kancane. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. So best hums deep, past cradle the night. I walk through pavement rituals, guided by soft stars.
phakathi kwemikhuba yeba olukukhanya ukuthambile kwezinkanyezi.
Kalimba rituals, always surrounding, within the rhythm, within the gentle wind, we find calm, we find wonder. Kalimba rituals, carrying dreams through the night. Thwala amaphupho phakathi kobusuku. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams.
Under the night, our spirits entwine. Pendule ebusuku imimoya yethu kusubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi eziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Kalimba rituals, embracing peace and warmth. We walk together through life's soft rhythm. The world is open, the spirit is free. Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Soft night hums, insects whisper gently.
Ebusuku liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zigula ngobuthule.
Kalimba sparkles over gentle over crackling.
Ikalimba ikanya phezu komthulo uphuphuma kancane.
Timber beats slowly, hiding secret emotion. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Subbass hums deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through by rituals, guided by soft starlight.
Ihamba phakathi kwemikhuba olukukhanya ukuthambile kwezinkanyezi.
Kalimba rituals, always surrounding, within the rhythm, within the whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams. Answer the night, our spirits intertwine. Give me more, to incubate. Stars above guide our journey through darkness. Kalimba rituals, embracing peace and warmth. We walk together through life's soft rhythms. The world is open, the spirit is free. Twilight hums softly, insects whisper quietly. Kalimba sparkles over gentle lo-fi crackle. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Subway hums deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through twilight, guided by soul starlight. Yama kagatiko tamble kwezinkazi.
Twilight drum,
Always surrounding.
is it sim, is it twilight?
Chalos isesikalo,
Within the rhythm,
within the gentle wind.
ebusweni bomkulo,
Ngaphakathi komoya ophuphuma,
we find calm,
we find wonder.
sithola ukuthula.
Sithola isimanga,
Twilight drums,
carrying dreams through the night.
is it sim, is it twilight?
Sithwala amaphupha phakathi kobusuku. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees.
Izingoma zomdabu zimbiza kancane,
Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
izwi lempelo lithi kancane, likhumbuze
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
isuka umoya nomdlo.
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dream.
Akusuku liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
Pendule ebusuku, imimoya yethu.
Stars above, guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi eziphakeme ziqonde zohambo lwethu ebumnyameni. Twilight drums,
Embracing peace and warmth.
izinsimbi zetwilight.
Sithwala ukuthula nokufudumala.
We walk together,
Through life's soft rhythm.
sihamba ndawonye.
Phakathi komkhulu okuphuma, okuphila okunuka. whisper softly. Insects hum quietly.
Ibusuku liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zigula ngokuthule.
Oh, kalimba twinkles over gentle loaf raglan.
Ikalimba ikhanya phezu komthulo ophuphuma kancane.
Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotion.
Djembe ishaya kancane.
Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm.
Isheka zihamba kancane.
Subpessums deep, paths embrace the night.
I walk through shadows,
Guided by soft starlight. Ngihamba phakathi kwezithunzi, holo kukhanya kuthambile kwezinkanyezi. Whispering chants, always surrounding. Izingoma ezikhulumayo njalo zisesikalo. Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind. Ebusweni bomkhulu naphakathi komoya ophuphuma. We find peace, we find wonder. Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga. Whispering chants, carrying dreams through time. Izingoma ezikhulumayo zithwala amaphupho phakathi kwesikhathi. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the leaves.
izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane zihlangana nezidlala.
Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuphefumula.
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
Sihlala ndawonye.
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dream.
Ibusuku liyajula lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine. Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi phakeme zikhondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Whispering chants, hang on, embracing peace and warmth. Izingoma ezikhulumayo zithwala ukuthula nokufuthuma nala. We walk together through life's soft rhythm.
Sihamba ndawonye phakathi kokuphuma nokuphila.
The world is open, the spirit is free. Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Subway shadows hum softly, insects whisper at night.
Izithunzi zesube zidudakana, izinambuzane ziyakhala ebusuku.
Kalimba glimmers over gentle overglow.
Ikalimba ikhanya phezu komthulo ophuphuma kancane.
Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm.
Ishaka zihamba kancane, ziphakamisa izinhliziyo ngomkhulu.
Sub-bass vibrates deep, pads cradle the night. I walk through shadows, guided by distant winds.
Ihamba phakathi kwezithuzi, ihola umoya wokuthi.
Sub-bass shadows, always surrounding. Is in the rhythm, within the gentle breeze.
Ebuzeni bomkhulu,
We find peace, we find wonder.
sub-bass shoulder, still rings through the night.
Sub-bass shadows, carrying dreams through the night.
Sithwala amaphupho phakathi kobusuku.
Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees.
Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane, zihlangana nezihlahla.
Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane, likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuphefumula.
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
Sihlala ndawonye, sikhuba umoya nomkhulo.
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams.
Ibusuku liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
Phendule ebusuku, imimoya yethu ixubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izingane zeziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu kumnyama.
Sub-bass shadows, embracing peace and warmth.
We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
Langene agenzi ngomculo kuphuma wethu ilapho wethu.
The world is open, but the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile.
Nightfall whispers, insects zoom softly. Kalimba twinkles over gentle crackles.
Ikalimba ikanya phezu komthulo kuphuma kancane.
Djembe drifts slowly, shadows of the night.
Jembe ishaya kancane, imithunzi yobusuku.
Shakers ripple softly, lifting hidden thoughts.
Sheka zihamba kancane, ziphakamise imikhawa ngifihlekile.
Surprises warm, hands like a soft blanket. I walk through echoes, guided by moonlight. I walk through echoes, guided by moonlight.
Ngihamba phakathi kwemisindo, ngihola ukukhanya kwenyanga.
Nightfall echoes, always surrounding.
Imisindo yobusuku, njalo isizungeza.
Within the rhythm, within the breeze.
Ebusweni bomculo, naphakathi komoya.
We find calm, we find wonder.
Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane zidlula phakathi kwezihlahla.
Nature speaks gently, reminding hearts of peace.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuthula.
Together we move, blending rhythm and soul.
The night grows deeper.
Echoes carry our dreams. Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
Stars above guide our path through darkness. Jelezi zindlela yethu ebumnyameni.
Nightfall echoes, carrying peace and warmth.
Imisindo yobusuku ithwala ukuthula nokufudumala.
We walk together through the rhythm of life.
Sihamba ndawonye phakathi komkhulu ukuphila.
The world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile.
Soft echo in the night, insects hum quietly.
Imisindo yethambile ebusuku izinambuzane zigula kancane.
Kalimba glimmers over gentle low-fi cloud.
Kalimba glimmers over gentle lo-fi cracker.
Djembe hums slowly, hiding secret emotion. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. So bass vibrates deep, pads embrace the night. How up it speaks, guided by soft starlight. Ihamba nemimo yangehulukanya ukuthambila kwezinkanyezi. Echoing spirit, always surrounding, within even rhythm, within the gentle wind. If I'm calm, if I'm wonder, think on the spirits carrying dreams through time. Tribal chants drip softly, blending with the trees.
Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane zihlangana nezihlahla.
Nature hums gently, reminding hearts of peace.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuthula.
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
Hlala ndawonye.
The night deepens, echoing our dreams in silence. Ibusuku liyajula, liyaphendula amaphupho ethu ngokuthula. Answer the night, our spirits alive. Stars above guide our path through darkness. Izinkanyezi eziphakeme ziqondisa indlela yethu ebumnyameni. Echoing spirit, embracing peace and warmth. We walk together, through life's soft rhythm. We walk together, through life's soft rhythm. The world is open, the spirit is free. insects quietly. Kalimba sparkles over gentle lofa crackle. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Checkers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. So bass hums deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through nature, guided by moonlight. Ngihamba khanya kwenye I will come, always surrounding. Uthando lomdabu, jalo lusesikalo. Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind. Ebusweni bomkhulo, ngaphakathi komoya ophuphuma. We find peace, we find wonder. Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga. Tribal calm flowing through us. Uthando lomdabu luhlala ezinhlizweni zethu. Tribal chants drift softly through the trees. Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane zidlula phakathi kwezihlahla. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Izwi lemvelo lithi kanane likhumbuza izinhliziyo kuphefumula. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Sihlala ndawonye, sikuba umoya nomkhulo. The night deepens, carrying dreams inside. Ibusuku liyajula, lithwala amaphupho ngokuthula. Answer the night, our spirits alive. Pendule busuku, imimoya yethu yahlangana. Stars above guide our journey through darkness. Izinkhanyezi, iziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni. Tribal calm, embracing peace and war. Uthando lomdabu lithwala ukuthula nokufudumala. We walk together through life's soft rhythms. Sihamba ndawonye, phakathi komkhulo ophuphuma wokuphila. The world is open, the spirit is free. Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Soft night hum, insects sing quietly. Ibuzukule yakula kancane, izinambuzane zikula ngobuthuli. Kalimba sparkle over gentle lofa crackle. Ikalimba ikhanya phezu komkhulo ophuphuma kancane. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotion. Checkers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Sopa hums deep, paths cradle the night. Eyes on nature, guided by moonlight.
Ihamba phakathi kwemvelo, iholo kukhanya kwenyanga.
Tribal calm, always surrounding.
Uthando lomdabu,
Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind.
ebuzweni bomkhulo ngaphakathi
easing me. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. The night deepens, carrying dreams in silence. Into the night, our spirits align. Imimoya yetu yahlangana.
Inkanyezi ziphakeme zikondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Tribal calm, embracing peace and warmth.
Uthando lomdabu,
We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
hamba ndawonye phakathi komplele.
Our world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile,
Umoya mystic nightfall, hum softly. Insects sing quietly. Ibusuku elimfihlakalo liyakhala kancane. Izinambuzane zikhula ngokuthule. Kalimba sparkles over gentle lofi crackle. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Djembe ishaya kancane, shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Shakers ihamba kancane, sipasms deep, past cradle and night. I walk through mystic nightfall, guided by starlight. Ihamba phakathi kobusuku obuyimfihlakalo, ngihola ukukhanya kwezingeli.
Always around.
Ubusuku eliyimfihlakalo, njalo lisesikhala.
Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind.
Ebusweni bomkhulu ngaphakathi komoya ophuphuma.
We find calm, we find wonder.
Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga.
Mystic nightfall, carrying dreams through time.
Ubusuku eliyimfihlakalo, lithwala amaphupho phakathi kwesikhathi. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams. Ibusuku liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night light, our spirits intertwine.
Fendule busuku, imimoya yethu ithubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi ziphakeme zikondisa hambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Mystic nightfall, embracing peace and warmth.
Ebusuku eliyimfihlakalo, lithwala ukuthula nokukhudumala.
Walk
phuma wokuphila.
The world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile.
Soft night winds, insects whisper gently. Ibusuku liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zikhula ngobuthule. Kalimba ikhanya phezu kompulo ophuphuma kancane. Jembe beats slowly, hide and seek great emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. So best hums deep, past cradle the night. I walk through my rituals, guided by soft starlight.
Ihamba phakathi kwemikhuba yeba olukukhanya ukuthambile kwezinkanyezi.
Kalimba rituals, always surrounding, within the rhythm, within the gentle wind. We find calm, we find wonder. Kalimba rituals, carrying dreams through the night. Thwala amaphupho phakathi kobusuku. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams.
Answer the night, our spirits entwine. Pendule ebusuku imimoya yethu kusubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi eziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Kalimba rituals, embracing peace and war. We walk together through life's soft rhythm. The world is open, the spirit is free.
Ebusuku liyakhala kancane, zinambuzane zigula ngobuthule.
Kalimba sparkles over gentle over crackling.
Ikalimba ikanya phezu komthulo phuphuma kancane.
Timber beats slowly, hiding secret emotion. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Sub-bass hums deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through buried rituals, guided by soft starlight.
Ngihamba phakathi kwemikhuba iholukukhanya kuthambile kwezinyezi.
Kalimba rituals, always surrounding, within the rhythm, within the gentle wind.
Ebusweni bonkolo ngaphakathi komoya.
We find calm, we find wonder. Kalimba rituals, carrying dreams through the night.
Inguba yebeka ithwala amabhuku phakathi kobusuku.
Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane,
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
sihlala ndawonye sikumoya nomkhulo.
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams.
Ibuzulu liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
Pendule ebusuku,
Give me more, yetu ikupe.
stars up,
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
izinkanyezi ziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu ebumnyameni.
Kalimba rituals, embracing peace and warmth. We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
Sihamba ndawonye phakathi komkhulo.
The world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Umoya uvulekile.
Twilight hums softly, insects whisper quietly. Kalimba sparkles over gentle lo-fi crackle. Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. Sub-bass hums deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through twilight, guided by soul starlight. Ngihamba phakathi kothambile kwezinkazi. kobusuku. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the trees. Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe. Together we move, sinking soul and sound. Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dream. Enter the night, our spirits intertwine. Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi eziphakeme ziqonde zohambo lwethu ebumnyameni. Twilight drums,
Embracing peace and warmth.
izinsimbi zethwala.
Zithwala ukuthula nokufudumala.
We walk together,
Through life's soft rhythm.
sihamba ndawonye.
Phakathi komkhulu kuphuma wokuphila okuqhamuka. The spirit is free. Umhlaba uvulekile. Umoya uvulekile. Night whispers softly. Insects hum quietly.
Ibusuku liyakhala kancane, izinambuzane zigula ngokuthule.
Oh, kalimba twinkles over gentle loaf raglig.
Ikalimba ikhanya phezu komthulo ophuphuma kancane.
Djembe beat slowly, hiding secret emotion.
Djembe ishaya kancane,
Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm.
isheka zihamba kancane.
Subasams deep, paths embrace the night.
I walk through shadows,
Guided by soft starlight. Ngihamba phakathi kwezithunzi, holo ukhanya uthambile kwezinkanyezi. Whispering chants, always surrounding. Izingoma ezikhulumayo, njalo zisesikalo. Within the rhythm, within the gentle wind. Ebusweni bomkhulu, naphakathi komoya ophuphuma. We find peace, we find wonder. Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga. Whispering chants, carrying dreams through time. Izingoma ezikhulumayo, zithwala amaphupho phakathi kwesikhathi. Tribal chants drift softly, blending with the leaves.
izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane zihlangana nezihlala.
Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuphefumula.
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
Sihlala ndawonye,
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dream.
ibusuku liyajula lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine. Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi phakeme zikhondisa uhambo lwethu kumnyameni.
Whispering chimes hang on, embracing peace and war. Izingoma zikhuluma zithwala ukuthula nokufuduma nala. We walk together through life's soft rhythm.
Sihamba ndawonye phakathi kokuphuma nokuphila.
The world is open. The spirit is free. Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile. Subway shadows hum softly, insects whisper at night.
Izithunzi zesube zidurakanane, izinambuzane ziyakhala ebusuku.
Kalimba glimmers over gentle overclay.
Ikalimba ikhanya phezu komthulo ophuphuma kancane.
Djembe beats slowly, hiding secret emotions. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm.
Isheke zihamba kancane, ziphakamisa izinhliziyo ngomkhulu.
Sub-bass vibrates deep, paths cradle the night. I walk through shadows, guided by distant winds.
Ihamba phakathi kwezithuzi, ihola umoya okude.
Sub-bass shadows, always surrounding. Is in the rhythm, within the gentle breeze.
Ebuzweni bomkhulu,
We find peace, we find wonder.
sabeshola, zithola into the night.
Sub-bass shadows, carrying dreams through the night.
Zithwala amaphupho phakathi kobusuku.
Tribal chimes drift softly, blending with the trees.
Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane, zihlangana nezihlahla.
Nature whispers gently, reminding hearts to breathe.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane, likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuphefumula.
Together we move, sinking soul and sound.
Sihlala ndawonye, sikhuba umoya nomkhulo.
Night deepens, carrying whispers of our dreams.
Ibusuku liyajula, lithwala izwi lamaphupho ethu.
Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
Phendule ebusuku, imimoya yethu ixubene.
Stars above guide our journey through darkness.
Izinkanyezi ziphakeme ziqondisa uhambo lwethu kumnyameni.
Sub-bass shadows, embracing peace and warmth.
We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
We walk together through life's soft rhythms.
Langene abenzi ngomthulo phuphuma bethu ilapho ethu.
The world is open, but the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile.
Nightfall whispers,
Ikalimba ikanya phezu komthulo uphuma kancane.
Jembe drifts slowly, shadows of the night.
Jembe ishaya kancane imithunzi yobusuku.
Shakers ripple softly, lifting hidden thoughts.
Shakers ihamba kancane siphakamise ngikhawa ngifihlekile.
Surprises warm, pads like a soft blanket. I walk through echoes, guided by moonlight. I walk through echoes, guided by moonlight.
Ngihamba phakathi kwemisindo, ngiholo ukukhanya kwenyanga.
Nightfall echoes, always surrounding.
Imisindo yobusuku, njalo isizungeza.
Within the rhythm, within the breeze.
Ebusweni bomtulo, naphakathi komoya.
We find calm, we find wonder.
Sithola ukuthula, sithola isimanga.
Nightfall echoes through all of time.
Imisindo yobusuku, kuze kube phakade.
Tribal chants float softly, drifting through the trees.
Izingoma zomdabu zindiza kancane, zidlula phakathi kwezihlahla.
Nature speaks gently, reminding hearts of peace.
Izwi lemvelo lithi kancane, likhumbuza izinhliziyo ukuthula.
Together we move, blending rhythm and soul.
The night grows deeper,
Echoes carry our dreams. Answer the night, our spirits intertwine.
stars above guide our path through darkness. Ajelezi zindlela yethu ebumnyameni.
Nightfall echoes, carrying peace and warmth.
Imisindo yobusuku, ithwala ukuthula nokufudumala.
We walk together through the rhythm of life.
Sihamba ndawonye, phakathi komkhulu ukuphila.
The world is open, the spirit is free.
Umhlaba uvulekile, umoya uvulekile.
Soft echo in the night, insects hum quietly.
Imisindo yethambile ebusuku, izinambuzane zigula kancane.
Kalimba glimmers over gentle low-fi
Kalimba glimmers over gentle lo-fi crack.
Jembe hum slowly, hiding secret emotion. Shakers ripple lightly, lifting hearts in rhythm. So bass vibrates deep, pads embrace the night. I walk with speed, guided by soft starlight. Ihamba nemimoya ngeholukhanya ukuthambile kwezinkanyezi.